listen, and read.
I'm a fisherman. I wake up very early every day. I go out on my boat and catch fish. Then, in the afternoon, I come back and sell my fish in the market. My fish go to restaurants and homes all over the world.
I'm a farmer. I grow oranges. All year, I look after the trees and I give them water and nutrients. Then, I pick the fruit. I send a lot of the fruit to the factory to make orange juice. I also sell some of my oranges to the supermarket.
I'm a guide. I work in the tourism industry. People come to my country, and it's my job to explain the history and tell the tourists lots of interesting stories.
I'm a geologist. I study the ground and the rocks under our feet. I study what is under the ground. I find special metals and think how we can take the metals out of the ground.
I'm an engineer. I make sure the wind turbines turn well and make electricity. The electricity we make goes to thousands of homes.
I'm a librarian. I work in a school library. It's my job to look after all the books. I buy lots of new books and I help children find the information they need.
Listen and say.
Fishing. Fishing. Farming. Farming. Tourism. Tourism. Mining. Mining. Energy. Energy. Education. Education.
Read, listen, and say.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why builders build, but doctors don't doct? They help sick people. Can you tell me why teachers teach, but mechanics don't mechanic? They fix cars. Can you tell me why fishermen fish, but electricians don't electric? They connect electricity. Can you tell me why drivers drive and cleaners clean, but dentists don't dentist? They fix teeth. Ah, but wait! Garbage collectors collect garbage. Yes, it's very confusing, but that's what makes English great.
Listen and check.
The boy is disappointed. He didn't pass the test. The boy is disappointed. He didn't pass the test. She dislikes ice cream. She dislikes ice cream. These friends disagree. These friends disagree. I'm sorry because I disobeyed my mom. I'm sorry because I disobeyed my mom. The rabbit disappeared from the hat. The rabbit disappeared from the hat.